Will Americans use their second stimulus check to buy Bitcoin? Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Turner Wright at Cointelegraph and brought to you by the BitBlock Bitcoin Conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas. U.S. residents who invested their first stimulus checks in Bitcoin have seen a 45.5% return from $1,200 in April to over $1,700 today, with Bitcoin itself surging past $10,500. In a July 26th interview with CNN's Jake Tapper, White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow confirmed Americans will be receiving another $1,200 check as part of a roughly $1 trillion stimulus package, and this was first announced on July 23rd. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said the second payments will arrive in August, but that could potentially mean November for some if the process is the same as last time. Now, the stimulus checks are intended to ease the economic hardship suffered by many United States residents who lost their job or they're seeing much lower income amid the coronavirus pandemic. However, in April, many Americans may have chosen to invest their first payment not in the delaying eviction or supplementing their income, but in buying Bitcoin. Brian Armstrong of Coinbase showed that the number of deposits and buys on the exchange worth $1,200 increased by fourfold that month. Based on online responses to the news that another check would be forthcoming, coupled with the recent surge of Bitcoin to more than $10,500, some Bitcoin traders may be thinking another $1,200 investment into Bitcoin isn't the worst idea they've ever had. The announcement that $1,200 checks for every United States resident will once again be a part of the stimulus package came just hours before Bitcoin experienced another surge, rising over 3%. When United States officials first announced the $1 trillion stimulus package on July 23rd, the price of Bitcoin rose past $9,500, breaking a particularly long stretch of low volatility. So, are you using your stimulus checks to buy Bitcoin? I'm curious to know. Please let me know in the comments. And this episode, well, it was brought to you by BitBlock Boom, the great Bitcoin conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say Bitcoin conference because Bitcoin's all we talk about at BitBlock Boom. We don't talk about altcoins and we don't talk about crypto or blockchain, just Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, please take a look at bitblockboom.com today. I hope I get to meet you in person in Dallas. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another episode of 4-Minute Bitcoin. This is a bitblockboom.com production.